Okay, hello again to the next video, which is actually the next chapter of the book. That is about making like some kind of oh yeah, animation in one slide. Okay, so in the previous part we left off with this flower thingy over here, which I didn't give a name. Let's give it a name. Okay, flower. Sorry, my keyboard's connecting. Flower not abomination, animation. Okay, right. So what you can do if you want to is, let's say we duplicate this slide again. If you want, you can also like select them together, select like these flowers together. Yeah, you can use Control to select them all these lines here, because just now as you see, when I want to select everything, it selects the ground as well. So yeah, like this. Then we can right click and group them. So now it's one single shape, and we copy paste. See, it's something like this. Yeah, this means that I haven't grouped these two. Well, it's okay. Yeah, we can still select like this. Okay, right click, sorry. Let's select them, right click, and group. Okay. Everything should be here now. Yes, everything should be here. Yeah, this is how you can group them together. So you copy paste to get the whole thing itself. Yeah. Let's try adding some bees. Since there's a flower, let's add some bees. So let's go to shapes. I'm not going to make a perfect bee, of course. Something like this. The best bee you ever see in your entire life. Here we go. Now, another one here, another oval. This is going to be the eyes. Now another shape. This is going to be the wings. Okay, let's turn it around a bit. Yeah, there we go. Let's make it into white. Yeah, see? B. Okay. So let's highlight them. And then right click and group. You can also control Alt G as well. Yeah. So you have a B. Nice. Let's have one more B. We have B1 and we have B2. Okay. So what we can do now is, wait, I just noticed I didn't close this template part yet. Let me just close this over here. Okay. See, there's something called animate here. Let's press the first B first, then press animate. If you don't find it, you can also click on the B and right click, and there's animate here. Okay. Okay. Let's go one by one. So we have two kind of things here. We have on click, and we have after previous and with previous. So three things. So the first one will be on click. So when you click, then the animation will play. After previous is it happens after the previous animation. With previous is it occurs at the same time with the previous animation. Alright, so the first one is an animation like this. So what we can do is maybe we can put it fly in from the left. We also set how fast is it. Okay. Then let's add another animation for it. Let it spin. This one is after the previous. Let's make it a bit faster. Yeah. Now we can go to here and we can animate this as well. So let it fly in from the top after previous. And then let's animate one more time. Let's make it fly out to top as well, but maybe a bit slowly. Okay. So let's say we put slideshow. So it's going to start on this slide. Okay. The first one is click. So we need to click it. There will becomes, yeah, see the rest is previous. This one didn't really work. Oh, I didn't change it to after previous. It's still on click, is it? Yeah, still on click. No wonder. Let's change it to after previous. So let's try again. Click. So there's the difference between after previous and on click. Okay, so that's all for this video. That's how to do some simple animation on a single slide in Google Slides. Okay. If you're using tablet or iPad, with your iPad, don't really have to animate. Alright, if you found a way, you can also let me know. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye bye.